Hello guys, welcome to Twing. In this tutorial, you are going to see two programs. The first program is asked by TCS company and the second one is asked by Wipro company. And also I have given a task for you at the end of a video. So please try to solve that program and let's don't waste the time and move on to the video. Here is the fourth question in the series of a tutorial. So the options are given below. I'll give you 10 seconds to try it yourself. If you need more time, you can pause the video and try it. I will run the program. So the output is 6. Let me tell you how it came. So here you can see inside the main function I is initialized as 0 and second line is for loop with the condition I is lesser than or equal to 5. It means once I becomes 6 the loop will be terminated. Here you see the semicolon at the end of for loop. So don't think that it is an error, actually it is a correct syntax. For loop will run as usual. Once I becomes 6 it will be terminated. So when the condition is true it won't move to the printf function because there is a semicolon. So when I becomes 6 the for loop will be terminated and move to the next part of a line. It is a printf function. So I value will be 6. It will move to the printf function and print the value of I. So output will be 6. It is a fifth question in the series of tutorial. The options are given below. I will give you 10 seconds to try it yourself. If you need more time, you can pause the video. Let me run the program. So the output is 0911. I will tell you how it came. Here you can see first line of a main function is I, j, k are initialized and L is declared. Second line is L is equal to post increment of I, logical and post increment of j, logical and pre increment of k. Here I will tell you what is pre increment and post increment. Post increment is first it will leave the same value. After the expression or another line it will be increment by 1. Pre increment is first the value will be increment by 1 and then it will assign a new value. Here the logical AND is if the both side of the expression is true it will return true. If one is false then it will return false. So here all the non-zero numbers are true, only 0 is false. I mean -1, -2, -3 or 1, 2, 3 etc. or those numbers are true, only 0 is the false. So let us assign those three values. I and j will be the same because it is a post increment and k value will be incremented 0 to 1. So the code will be look like this. Then after that I will become 0 and j will become 9 because it is a post increment. And k will look like same 1. So I hope you will understand this concept. So the next step is we have to calculate logical AND. So here we get -1 logical AND 10 logical AND 1. So first let us check -1 and 10. So both are true, so it will return true. So true will be 1 and false will be 0. So 1 logical AND 1. So both are true, it will return a true. So L value will be 1. So final answer is 0911. It is the sixth question in the series of tutorial. Don't think that it is like a previous problem. Actually it is somewhat tricky. I also mentioned the options below. This is the tasks for you to solve it yourself. If you find the solution then please comment it. I will reveal the answer and the explanation in the next video. If you learned something new in this tutorial then please like the video. If you have any suggestions to improve the video please mention in comment. Subscribe Twing for future videos. Thank you and bye bye.